Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's see how to add a geotag to old photos. First, go to Google and search for GeoTag Photo Editor. A few websites will open up for geotagging. Look at the very first one, GeoTag Photo Editor online. Let's select this. When you select it, a page like this will open. Look here, there is a Select Image button. When you click on this select image, the photos on your device will appear. Now, I will select one photo from here. See, when selected, it says Select Location here. Under Select Location, there is a Current Location option and a search bar. If you click Current Location, it sets your exact current location. If you don't want that and want to set a different location, then there's a search bar here. You can type the place you want, search for it, and set that location. Look, I will search and enter a location to show you. Now watch, I will type Davanager. I type Davanager and click search. As soon as I hit search, look at the short address it fetched, Davanager, Karnataka, India. The full address Rajanahalli Community, Harihara Road, Davanager has come up. Look here, on the map we can adjust it. We can set the location exactly where we want. Once set like this, the location details will appear. Next, the latitude, longitude will appear. Next, the date and time will appear. We can change this date and time. Look, now we can change the date, the month can be changed, the year can be changed. Likewise, the time to AM or PM, we can change everything. Now watch, I will give a random date. I put a date, a time. Giving a time, what did I do? I set it, and now that is the exact time. Next is text size, meaning how big or small this geotag should appear on our photo. We can set that. Here, look, I will set it to 1. I'll set it to 1 and click Add Location on Image. Look, when I click Add Location on Image, for the photo I uploaded here the location has been added as a geotag. Now I will click Download here. Look, the downloaded image is now geotagged. See, whatever date I set has appeared. Whatever location I set, that exact location has appeared. See, there it is. Now, let's say I want to set this exact same location to another photo. What should we do then? There is no need to change the location here. Go directly up, where the photo is, there is a delete option. Click delete and click select image again. Select another photo. Once selected, that same address and the same time will remain saved. If you want to change it, you can. Next, click Add Location on Image. When you click Add Location on Image, look, for this photo as well the same date, same time, and location are added. Similarly, download this one too. After downloading, open it. This one also has the same location and time added. See, in this way, we can geotag old photos with whatever location and whatever time we want. Thank you for watching. For more information like this, please like and subscribe.